Fennel seeds, those tiny aromatic seeds often found in Indian restaurants, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But what if I told you that chewing just 2 of these seeds could have significant benefits for the male body? It might sound too good to be true, but scientific research is beginning to uncover the powerful potential of this simple habit. Let's explore 10 surprising benefits that could make you reconsider these humble seeds. Testosterone boosts, nature's steroid. When it comes to male health, testosterone is king. This crucial hormone plays a vital role in muscle mass, bone density, libido, and overall well-being. Surprisingly, those 2 tiny fennel seeds you're chewing might be giving your testosterone levels a natural boost. A study published in the journal Androlia found that fennel seed extract increased testosterone levels in male rats. The researchers attributed this effect to compounds in fennel seeds that may stimulate the production of testosterone in the testes. But here's the kicker: the study found that this testosterone boosting effect was most pronounced at lower doses. This suggests that when it comes to fennel seeds and testosterone, more isn't necessarily better. Chewing just 2 seeds might be the sweet spot for reaping this benefit. Sperm quality enhancer, a fertility friend for men concerned about fertility. Fennel seeds might be a simple yet effective ally. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fennel seed extract improved several markers of sperm quality in male rats. The study observed increases in sperm motility, the ability of sperm to swim effectively, and sperm count. Moreover, the researchers noted a decrease in abnormal sperm, suggesting that fennel seeds might help produce healthier, more viable sperm while more human studies are needed. These findings suggest that chewing 2 fennel seeds daily could potentially support male fertility. It's a simple habit that could have profound implications for men trying to conceive. Prostate protector, small seeds, big impact. Prostate health is a major concern for many men, especially as they age. Interestingly, those 2 fennel seeds you're chewing might be providing some protection for this crucial gland. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that fennel seed extract had anti-androgenic effects, which could potentially help prevent benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a common condition where the prostate becomes enlarged. The researchers attributed this effect to compounds in fennel seeds that can inhibit the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. By chewing just 2 fennel seeds, you might be giving your prostate a daily dose of protection. Libido lifter, spicing up your love life. Fennel seeds have long been reputed to be aphrodisiacs in various cultures. While this might sound like folklore, there's actually some scientific backing to this claim. A study published in the BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine Journal found that fennel seed extract increased sexual behaviors in male rats. The researchers observed increases in mount frequency and intromission frequency, both indicators of enhanced libido. While human studies are needed to confirm these effects, chewing 2 fennel seeds daily might just add a little spice to your love life. It's a simple, natural way to potentially boost your sexual health. Muscle mass maintainer, a bodybuilder's secret. Maintaining muscle mass is a key concern for many men, especially as they age. Surprisingly, those 2 fennel seeds might be helping you hold on to your hard-earned muscle. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that fennel seed extract had anabolic effects in male rats, promoting protein synthesis and muscle growth. The researchers contributed this effect to the seed's ability to increase testosterone levels and reduce oxidative stress. While it's not a replacement for proper diet and exercise, chewing 2 fennel seeds daily could be a simple way to support your body's muscle-building efforts. Stress reducer, calm in a seed. In our fast-paced world, stress is a constant companion for many men, but those 2 fennel seeds you're chewing might be providing a moment of calm in your day. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fennel seed extract had anxiolytic or anti-anxiety effects in animal models. The researchers observed that fennel seed extract produced effect similar to diazepam, a common anti-anxiety medication. While it's not a replacement for professional mental health care, chewing 2 fennel seeds when you're feeling stressed could potentially provide a small moment of relief. It's a simple, natural way to potentially manage everyday stress. Heart disease is a major health concern for men worldwide. Interestingly, those 2 fennel seeds might be giving your heart a little extra protection. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that fennel seed extract had cardioprotective effects in animal models. The study observed that fennel seed extract reduced levels of bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, and increased levels of good cholesterol, or HDL. Moreover, the researchers noted that fennel seeds have potent antioxidant properties which could help protect the heart from oxidative stress by chewing just 2 fennel seeds daily. You might be giving your heart a small but potentially significant boost. Blood sugar balance or diabetes defense for men concerned about diabetes or maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Fennel seeds might offer some help. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fennel seed extract had anti-diabetic effects in animal models. The researchers observed that fennel seed extract helped lower blood glucose levels and improved insulin sensitivity. While it's not a replacement for proper medical care or a healthy diet, chewing 2 fennel seeds daily could potentially support your body's blood sugar regulation efforts. Hair health booster from the inside out. Many men are concerned about maintaining healthy hair. Surprisingly, those 2 fennel seeds might be supporting your hair health from the inside out. Fennel seeds are rich in nutrients that are crucial for hair health, including iron, zinc, and vitamin C. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that these nutrients play key roles in hair growth and strength. Moreover, the testosterone boosting effects of fennel seeds might also contribute to hair health, as testosterone is crucial for hair growth. By chewing 2 fennel seeds daily, you might be giving your hair a little extra nourishment. Digestive aid gut health in a seed. While not exclusively a male issue, digestive health is crucial for overall well-being. Those 2 fennel seeds you're chewing might be doing wonders for your gut. A review published in the Biomed Research International Journal highlighted the digestive benefits of fennel seeds. The researchers noted that fennel seeds can help relieve bloating, gas, and stomach cramps due to their CTT. Moreover, fennel seeds have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which could potentially help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. By chewing 2 fennel seeds after meals, you might be supporting your digestive health in a simple, natural way. Conclusion: small seeds, big impact. It's truly remarkable how something as small and simple as 2 fennel seeds could potentially have such wide-ranging benefits for the male body, from boosting testosterone and sperm quality to supporting heart health and reducing stress. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch. However, it's important to remember that while these benefits are promising, more research, particularly human studies, is needed to fully understand the effects of fennel seeds on male health. As with any dietary change, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating fennel seeds into your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications.